and open your eyes. Everyone open page number 10, chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. So what we will learn in this lesson? In this lesson, we will learn the location of the Northern Mountains, the Greater Himalayas, the Lower Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas. The importance of Himalayas, people living in the Northern Mountains, Northeastern, or the Seven Sister States. So we will learn about these things in this lesson. So let's start. In this chapter, we will learn about the long mountain wall in the northern and the northeast part of our country. So here in this map, you can see. So this is the north part. This is the east side or east part. And this part in between the north and east, this is called the northeast. So if we write like this is the north, this is the east, and the place or part between north and east, this is called northeast, NE, or northeast. Okay. The Himalayas are the biggest mountain ranges in the world. They stretch across the northern and northeastern boundary of India. The word Himalayas in Sanskrit means abode of snow. Him means ice, and Alaya means place of. So Himalaya comes from Him and Alaya. So Him and Alaya, these two words make Himalaya. Him means ice and Alaya means place of. So Himalaya is a Sanskrit word. Okay, that means the place of ice, because it is covered with ice and snow throughout the year. This is why it is called Himalaya. See, this is exactly what is written here, because the Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. So all the year, throughout the year, the Himalayas is covered with snow. This is why. So Himalaya is a Sanskrit word where He means ice and Alaya means a place of. So Himalaya means place of ice. As we can see snow in Himalayas throughout the year, this is why the name is given as Himalayas. Okay, so this is very, very important part. Just mark it. So it is a Sanskrit word. You can see here in this map. The northern mountain ranges, that means throughout this part we can see the Himalayas, and this whole part is covered with ice throughout the year. Now go to the next page, page number 11. Now we will learn about the location of the northern mountain. What is the location of the northern mountain? The northern mountains or the Himalayas extend for about 2,500 kilometers in India. It starts from Jammu and Kashmir in the northwest to the Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Okay. So it starts from Jammu and Kashmir in the northwest to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. So it extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. In short, you can say like this: it starts from Jammu and Kashmir, or it extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Now go back to this map. Here you can see, here the Jammu and Kashmir is there, and here the Arunachal Pradesh is there. So it extends from the Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. The width of these mountains vary between 450 kilometers in Jammu and Kashmir to about 160 kilometers in the northeast. They form a natural barrier and save India from all the external attacks. Barrier means a wall. So here in this part, so this part of India is, here you can see the northern mountains, okay? So this part is totally made of northern mountains. So the northern mountains remains there as a wall, okay? Why as a wall? Because the other countries, here you can see the neighboring countries are also there. As the Himalayas is there, the other countries cannot attack our country very easily. So it protects us from the attack of the other neighboring countries. So this is why the Himalayas saves us, and this is how the Himalayas saves us or protects us from the attacks of the other countries, and it acts as a barrier or as a wall. Okay, so it extends from the Jammu and Kashmir in the north to the Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. So this is the location, exact location of the Himalayas or northern mountains. The northern mountains consist of some of the highest peaks in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which is located in the Himalayan mountains. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. And what is the height of it? It is 8,848 meters high, and it lies in Nepal. This peak was first climbed by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay of Nepal on 29th May 1953. So Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay from Nepal, they climbed the Mount Everest for the first time. Before them, no one was able to climb Mount Everest because this is the highest peak of the world. And what is the height of the peak? It is 8,848 meters high. So Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay from Nepal, they climbed the Mount Everest for the first time on 29th May 1953. So can you match this picture with any picture that we have seen? This is the picture of Bachendri Pal. She was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. So have you seen this picture before in the previous page? So we have got one name. This is the picture of Bachendri Pal, who was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. So we have got the first name here. Okay, students, so that's it for today. The time is also over. Read this part very carefully. Next day, I may ask you some questions from this part. Okay, and if you have any more doubt while reading this part, if you have any more doubt, just note it down and you can ask me in the